Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw the Worldcoin from Binance. It's easy to get this done. Make sure you have a Binance account, and if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So guys, with the verified account, how can you withdraw the Worldcoin? Head to the wallet section where you have the Worldcoin either on your spot or funding wallet. All you need to do now is simply click on the Worldcoin itself, click on the withdrawal option and send via crypto network. Now, once you're on this menu, you're going to be getting this information from a wallet, and the wallet we're going to be sending it to is our MetaMask. So make sure you have the MetaMask wallet installed. And now with your MetaMask wallet installed and you're on the MetaMask platform, where we have the network drop down at the top of the screen, click on the BNB Smart Chain and select Ethereum. And now once you're on the Ethereum main network, all you need to do to get yourself some of the Worldcoin is minimize and open up your browser. Log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Now, once you're on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down and copy the contract address. That's the Ethereum contract address for the Worldcoin. Minimize and open up MetaMask. With MetaMask opened up, simply click on the Import Tokens option. Where we have the custom tokens, simply paste the token address here. Once you've pasted the token address, its symbol and decimal would be shown, and all you need to do is simply click on the import. And once you've clicked on import, you'd find the Worldcoin on your wallet. Click on the Worldcoin, scroll down and click on receive, copy your wallet address, minimize, open up Binance, paste the wallet address there. The network is going to be set to the Ethereum. Please take note of this. Set the network to the Ethereum, enter the amount of Worldcoin you wish to send. So if you've got a good amount, you could send a good amount of the Worldcoin over and simply click on the withdraw option. And once you've withdrawn from Binance, simply open up your MetaMask. And after you perform a reload, you'd find the Worldcoin on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can withdraw the Worldcoin from Binance, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.